In this video, I'll be making something for the scrap bin challenge. This project is going to be easy. I save a lot of scraps. There will be no shortage of wood, so I'll see what I come up with. So I'm going to temporarily clamp it and see if everything fits and if this piece slides okay. So far, so good. So I'm going to be using these rare earth magnets for my box. They'll sit right here, and that's why I made these little blocks for. So I also made this little block to fit in here so it doesn't push out my blocks when I'm drilling. So I finished my scrap bin made from wood in my scrap bin. So it attaches with the earth magnets on the table saw and the bandsaw. And that's why the gate moves both ways. So the table saw would slide this way and the bandsaw this way. And it works pretty good. And I think I'm just going to leave it on the bandsaw because that's where I get most of the small pieces of wood. So the scrap bin made from my scrap bin. So thanks for watching. We'll talk to you guys soon.